This is Veturian Arana. I am the creator of a healing technique called SAAMA, which means sunrise in Maya language. And I am quite new at all this YouTube thing. But they told me that unboxing things, it's something very trendy in YouTube. So there's all these channels where people receive, packages of different things, drones and video games and video cameras and whatever, and then they unbox them little by little, showing the camera, how the product arrived and all the little pieces in it and whatever. So I thought, okay, I am going to do an unboxing video. So this is my unboxing video today. Now, here's the box, okay, where my product has arrived. And it's perfect, it's quite strong, but very lightweight. Okay, fantastic. So now let's open this box and see what it contains, okay? So here we go. Let's open the box in front of the camera. So there we go. Aha. There you are. Okay. Aha. Oh, wonderful. Look at this. Look at this. This is great. Whoa. You see? You know what this is? Okay. This is an emotion. This is a trapped emotion. Look at it. An emotion, the trapped emotions that we have in our body, in our subconscious, in our mind, are something just like this. Very, very lightweight, but quite dense. If we want a vibration to go through it, it will come out distorted. So this is just like a trapped emotion inside the body. Now let's imagine, okay, I have my liver. And my liver has to vibrate at a particular rate to be healthy. But if I have several of these in there, that will distort the vibration of my liver. And then we will say our liver is not healthy. And then you can give it all sorts of different Latin names for that liver that is not working properly. But in SAAMA, what we do is we try to find these little things called emotions, and then we try to erase them, and we do erase them. And once this is gone, the liver starts to vibrate properly. And there's lots of here's another one. Oh, look at this. Haha, that's a tiny little one. Come here. Ooh, there we go. There we go. That's a tiny little one. That's a tiny little emotion. It doesn't seem too big, okay? It doesn't seem dangerous, but it's a vibration that might be in my mind, it might be in my conscious mind, or in my brain, or it could be in my subconscious, or it could be in my lungs, or it could be in my stomach, in a muscle, in my eye, anywhere. Wherever this emotion is, it will cause a distortion. And if I get lots of these little ones, then another one, let's see if there is, wait a minute. Well, that's a huge one. Oh, look at that. Okay. Now, that's not such a big one. Okay, but it's bigger than this one. But let's say it was something like the same size. Okay? There. So this vibration, if it's a low vibration, somehow it's going to find the other one, because vibrations of the same magnitude tend to get together. So this will get in there, and then another one, and then another one, and obviously it will grow to be something maybe, whoa, wow, look at that, something like this, okay? So lots of these little ones make up one of these big ones. Now that is big. If this one, if an emotion like this was, say, around my heart, then it's going to stop vibrations of love coming in, and it's going to stop the vibration of love coming out. So people with lots of these around the heart area are going to be feeling weird. They are going to say to you, I can't feel love, I don't care about people, I don't feel loved, I can't give love, and it's because this vibration is around the heart area. Now, you can have another one, let's say another one that becomes big and it gets right there on top of this one, or around it, or whatever, and then little by little we start having a wall. Now, that is bad. This wall, which can be in your heart, can also be in your eye. This wall can be in your vagina. This wall can be in your long intestine or your stomach, anywhere. Once you get something like this inside your body, it's time to remove it. Now, there is no pills, there is nothing that can erase this from what we know as allopathic medicine, because they don't even know that these emotions exist. We can do it with lots of different techniques. There is a lot of energetic techniques at the moment are available to you to get rid of this. If this was, say, here, I'm not going to be able to raise my arm and I will have tendinitis and it will be a very sore area, and all we need to do is we need to get rid of this. Just blocked emotions. As I was saying, there are lots of techniques, lots of different beautiful techniques. You have to find the one that works for you. You also have to find the professional that you like, so you two can work together and erase them. In the SAAMA technique, this is something so extremely easy to get rid of that you wouldn't believe it. In our SAAMA course, which we do workshops in Spanish for the Spanish-speaking people in different countries, they learn to do it in a matter of, I don't know, an hour or 2 hours, okay? On the online course, it's exactly the same. And we have this online course in English for you, so you can learn it easily from your home, at your own pace, at your own time. You have 3 months to do the course, which people do in a weekend. So it's plenty of time. And then you will learn how to get rid of this in yourself, in your loved ones. You can get rid of this even in your pets. Pets are emotional. Dogs are very emotional. Horses are very emotional. And when you do that, and you learn that with your intention and with the love from your heart, you can get rid of these tiny little emotions that can do so much harm. You will feel so good and you will feel so powerful. So whatever technique you learn, all you have to do is, before you start the technique, it's make sure that they will teach you how to get rid of blocked emotions anywhere in your physical body, your emotional body, your spiritual body, which also have blocked emotions, your psychological body, all your bodies, lots of bodies, all of them. And in SAAMA, we can get rid of these emotions in all of the bodies, because the protocol, the SAAMA protocol, takes you directly to the body where the blocked emotion is. So you don't have to search it, you don't have to do anything. Anyway, so it was fun to do this unboxing video in YouTube. Now I'm very proud, because now I belong to this section of people that do unblocking products. My product is obviously something to do with people feeling better, so that's why I've done the unblocking of emotions. So remember this name, SAAMA, S-A-A-M-A, sunrise, a new rise, a new beginning for you. Take lots of care. Bye-bye. By the way, that is my Christmas tree, but it's not Christmas now, it's almost summer. But in my house, it's always Christmas. So that's why the tree is there all year long. And every time I want to give my partner a present, I put it under the tree. Because for us, every single day of the year is Christmas. For us, every single day of the week, it's Sunday. And for us, every single day of the year, it's our birthday. Remember, treat yourself well. Give yourself lots of presents. Love yourself. Love your life.